Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HTC U23, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. To do it, firstly you need to remember the one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. As you can see, I have used only 17, but if you will use 70 over that point, your device will start to slowing down and slowing down. So the first thing you need to do is to check how much space you have used, and if you have used over the 70%, you need to just remove unused apps, old photos and videos from your device. And the second aspect is the lack of RAM. So from time to time we need to remove applications from our RAM storage. And the third and last item on your device is, of course, junk files. Applications on the Android system leaving a lot of unnecessary files, and from time to time we need to clear it. So to do it, you need to download the Google Files application from the Play Store. This application by Google, it's completely free, and allow everything. Click clean, and here you will see the junk files block and clean button. Click clear, and as you can see, I have cleared 74 kilobytes of trash files. So okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.